This is the Nokia C21 Plus I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate and share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint unlock method, so launch settings, then enter the security category. In here tap on the fingerprint, then choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use alongside it. So you can go for pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern, then draw which pattern you would like to use. After that, redraw it, thus confirm. Then choose what notification content will be shown at the lock screen. And now we can start the enrollment process. So on this device, the sensor is located at the back, right over here. So just lay and lift your finger onto the scanner like so, until it gets completely scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate it in relation to the sensor so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be correctly scanned. So we have successfully enrolled the fingerprint. Now let's go ahead and test it out, see how well it unlocks the screen, how fast it works. Works just fine if you'd ask me. It is not recognizing another fingerprints, which is good, I guess. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature for this video that is located at the display category. So let me just enter it. It is called the white balance, and it allows you to basically regulate the color temperature that you have for the interface, for the display. So this little bar, you can manage it from cold all the way up to warm. So choose whatever color temperature you'd like best. I'll set it to be somewhere here, I guess. You can also set it to be automatic. And moving on to the next tip, which is the developer options and how you can make them visible or reveal them or access them. In order to do that, you gotta enter the About Phone category over here and rapidly tap on a build number. Then you gotta enter the pattern, and as you can see, you'll get this "You are now a developer" message. So enter the system category, expand the advanced options, and in here you'll have the developer options as well. At the developer options, you can do such things as check the how busy is your random access memory, see a bug report, set the screen to never go to sleep while charging, and do a lot of other very useful stuff like turn on the USB debugging mode and enable the wireless debugging through Wi-Fi and what's not. As you can see, quite a few options it has. So if you're interested in making your phone usage experience deeper and more complex, that's how you can turn on the developer settings. Next is the next tip for today is related to the battery. So as you can see right now, in order for me to check how much power I have left, I need to open the notification panel. At the status bar itself, it is not shown. So if I would like to know at all times how much, or just be able to see the battery percentage that I have without necessarily launching the control center, I need to enter the battery category of settings right over here and turn on the small battery percentage toggle. And now the battery percentage will be displayed at status bar at basically all times. Already, the fifth and final feature is located at the accessibility menu. It is called the Magnification. It provides you with a magnifying tool that you can use to zoom into things that you are having hard times reading or looking, whatever. So in order to access or enable this feature, as you can see, we have quite a few options for it. So by default, it is set to be activated through swiping up with 2 fingers from the down part of your display. You can also make it so that it will be activated through power or volume, not power, excuse me, volume rocker or the triple screen tap. So basically, once enabled, you can use it to magnify certain parts of the interface, like so. Let's say you are just trying to read a very tiny text, you're not able to. So let me open something that I can properly zoom into, just some browser, for example. Should be Opera. So as you could have seen, I've just zoomed into the text. Just tap on the part that you would like to zoom and then make such shrinking swipes to zoom further or zoom out of something. If you would like to turn off the magnifying tool, just make the same gesture of the finger swipe upwards. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the final tip but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.